Hello everyone. Um, I'm just checking the sound settings and maybe music a little bit too much. Let me make it down. Okay, I just need a few minutes to check the stream, so see if everything is okay right now. Okay, the Twitch gave us the HD resolution to 160 pixel also. That's nice. That is so nice. Everything seems okay right now, and I need a few minutes also. As you can see here, fall change. Oops, let me back. As you can see in the homepage, fall challenge 2020 will start in 6 days, and I will be also stream in during all the 11 days, all the fall challenge. I'm so excited to be one of the streamers, honestly. So yeah, I mean, it should be a nice challenge, I think. I never joined this one before, and this will be the first challenge in any coding game so far. Rohit, hello. And yeah, everything seems okay right now. That's nice. The sound is okay, the music is okay, the resolution seems also okay. That is nice, everything seems okay. So okay, let's try to start with the first clash of the night. Oops, not it. Let's clash of codes. I will try to edit my command also. Let me prepare for it. So I start a private clash. Let's start. I just copy the link and save it as a link right now. You can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current link. Did I just paste the wrong link? I mean, that's weird. No one is joined so far. Let me check it again. It ends with 38. Yeah, Rohit joined. Okay. In somehow I thought I passed the wrong link to the chat. Sure, Rohit, you can invite. Programmer has also joined. We can wait with 30 seconds more. Jumping Worm, thanks for the host, man. I really appreciate that. Thank you. But how can I communicate to them? By the way, this is channel stream. Oh, you cannot. I mean, maybe if you there's a, as you can see here, there's an invite button for people, but I mean, don't worry. If they hear we are streaming, they will probably come either. Okay, let's launch the clash. Maybe they can join while we are clashing also. Okay, this is the fastest. A message has been encrypted with chipher encryption. You need to print a decrypted message. In the chipher encryption, each character is shifted by the value of the digit of in pi at the position of the order letter in the message, skipping non-letter characters. Example, T is the third letter in pi there, so its position is 3. Only shift if it is a letter. All characters or inputs are uppercase. For your information, pi starts with blah blah blah blah. Original hello world, pi used as a key. Denivian, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. So you have to decrypt the message, not encrypt it. Oh, okay. I have to decrypt the message. Decrypt it. Okay then. So let's make first of all try to copy this string as a pi. Yeah, and I just need to delete this one. And so all the inputs are uppercase. Okay. So while I loop, then start length plus, and if char is letter, the current character. Otherwise, I will write console.write character itself. Is I only shifting by for the character. Baho, selamlar, hoş geldin. Daha bir Twitch Prime'ın bile yok bak. Tam Moobot senin altına yazdı bak artık. Yani evren sana bir şey söylüyor bence. Yine böyle çirkef yayıncı moduna döneyim ben. So I have to decrypt the message. So that means um, 100 character. How many? Enough is probably enough. Oh, is Char's letter? That means oh, I have a decrypted message. I have an encrypted message. I should decrypt it. So our current is I minus EI if it is current less than I, that means current is our current plus 26, and after that I need to write the current itself. Yeah, let's play all test cases. What am I doing wrong here? SI-A-P-I 3, but oh, that's not, that's the character. Okay, so I should calculate this one as a integer like this. Yeah, let's play all test cases. Oh, what am I missing here? For 4F, which is 9, so that means its current is less than A. Okay. So what am I doing wrong here? For example, is it 9, A, B, C, D, 5? I'm missing something here, probably. So is this for F? What is the meaning of ASCII? Let's check ASCII table itself. What is the value of big uppercase F? This is 70. Okay. 70 minus 9, which is 61. I should add 26, 61, which is 87. So what is 87? It is W, but I will write D. How does this? Wait a second, let's check PI. For example, for how this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, it should be E minus 1 then, because it is 0 based. Let's play this one. No. What am I doing wrong? 87 we should calculate it as a W, so I should write as a W here. For the F, which is the fixed character, which is I is I is 5, okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is 9. Okay, I decrease 9, which is F, which is 70, decrease 9, 61. Maybe, oh, is this, wait a second, so this is the character, of course. 1 is less than A. 5. So I should add 26, which is 87, which is W. So I don't understand why my code generates D here. Maybe white space broke it, probably. June, welcome. Maybe white space broke it. Oh. Yeah, I mean, maybe I should here our counter is 0, and I should define here counter as well. I mean, if I what am I missing? Oh my goodness. No, I don't need this one. I just always increase. Oh, but if there's a white space, oh, if there's a white space, I should not increase the counter. I should only increase the counter on here. Counter plus plus. And yeah, this should work, I think. Let's play all test case again. That's right, because since my iteration also counts for the white spaces, I increase the I itself, but I shouldn't increase the I in that case. Yeah. That's nice. So it passed all the test cases. So I can submit it. It is fun. I like the question itself. Difficulty is perfect, statement and test case relevancy is ideal. Programmer, hello. That's nice. Remy is also works, seems like. Pum. Denevian is also solved in Python. Rohit also solved in C. Indexing within pi was throwing me off. Yeah, exactly. I mean, because that's why I should only increase the pi index with only if I get a character, if I get a letter. With a white space, I should not increase the pi index. Okay, now clash is ending. You joined too late. Exactly, June. Okay, let's check my code, and I think it's quite understandable and quite clean, I think. First of all, let me... Yeah. First of all, I write in pi as a string for all the characters that it's given by the question itself. And in here, I create a counter to get the pi, which pi character by shifting for that. And I increase the all, I iterate all the characters in that string. If there is a current character is a letter, that means I have to shift it by this pi counter, get the corresponding value, which is difference by 0 as a character, which gives the length as an integer. And I decrease that one to the character itself. I will get the current character, and if the current character is less than A, uppercase A, that means I have to increase with 26, which is that because I have to rotate and restart from the end. And after that, I should write the current character, which is founded by, and then increase the counter. I only increase the counter in here if I saw a letter. If I didn't saw a letter, I should print as it is. So, for example, for white spaces, for example. And that's why I only increase the counter when I see a letter. That means I will always get the corresponding character in pi string. I mean, this is the first thing that comes to my mind, and it passed all the test cases. I hope I explained it clearly. Okay, let's back to home. Here's my custom command immoved. Yeah. And let's back to home. Let's create a new one. Let's start a private clash. Let's start new one. Just copy the link and yeah, save it right now. You can type !link to chat to get the current link. Whoa, we are 8 people already. That's nice. Hickett, welcome. First time to see you, if I remember correctly. Robotman, welcome. First time to see you. Remy, no, I saw you before. I think you joined before. I remember you, probably. Tomato, welcome. Wow, we are 9 people right now. Ege Uğur Polat, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yeah, if you joined but didn't code anything. Yeah, as I said, I remember you. Okay, we are 9 people, so let's launch the clash. Oh, shorts. You went to a shop to buy some forks. Each fork costs X levs. You have unlimited amount of 10 levs coins and 1 Y levs coin. What minimum amount of the forks you need to buy? What minimum amount of forks you need to buy so that you can pay for them without getting any change? Integer X, price of 1 fork, and integer Y, value of your coin. For example, total is 1 fork is 317. And your coin is 3. Wait a second. Each. What minimum of forks do you need to buy so that you can... Oh, okay. I understand right now. There is only 1 levs coin, which unlimited levs. 1 I coin. Okay, that means... I understand. Okay, let's check test cases. There's an edge test cases or not. Yeah, okay. Quite doable, I think. You've seen this question on Codeforces. I mean, probably it's a similar one. You can probably solve a lot of websites like that. Okay, let's try our best. Well, while let me get that one. Yeah. While x multiple by c module y is 0 isn't 0, so plus plus and after right c. Okay, let's play all test cases. So if oops. And also x multiple y, no, yeah, x multiplied by, but I should write in here probably. Play all test cases. C is 1, C 3. No. I calculated this. Minus y is module 10. Yeah. Oops. Really? It will generate some. No, of course this has timeout. 1 and x plus minus 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. 9 minus y module 10 will be 0. So wait a second, I am completely misunderstand something here. What am I missing? What the? Okay, let's try this one. Why my 10 isn't equal 0, and plus plus, and x is multiple by c. Shorten it by like that. Let's play all test cases. Why do I get the process timeout? C is 1, after here C is 2, and probably missing something very obvious here, but I don't even see why. What? No, I can write this one not module 10 isn't equal to y. This still processes timeout? Really? Print x and y for the test case too. Okay. What? What the? What am I doing wrong here? How this can be, this will be the x itself. It just to okay, maybe I should write this one. X plus equal x and a plus plus, maybe. Write C like that. Why do I get timeout? This may mean that your solution is not optimized to handle some test cases. Really? I mean, oh, maybe I should only take the last digit here. Wait a second. X is not 10. first of all. And let's calculate like that. No, still has a timeout. How did I get timeout here? I mean, how this can be more I mean, I only get, no, why should I get module with 10? How about calculate like here? After that I will mod 10, and let's check. While x is not equal y. Let's check this one. I mean, I still don't get it why I am getting timeout here. I still don't get it. Yeah, I will probably really mad when I see it. Okay, I will submit my current code. So let's check the robot man, for example. While u multiple by x, what is the u? I use the u is the counter. Okay, module 10 and mod 10 and u multiple by you don't have to use the extra coin, so you should have checked for mod 10 is 0 and mod 10 why should I check mod 10 is equal to 0? I mean this might not be equal to 0. It's only check it's equal to y, and I only need this. I only need this one, I think. Why do I need this one? You keep your extra coin. Oh, okay. The second test case was cost of 15 and extra coin is 8. No multiple of 15 will end with an 8. So keep the coin and look for. You'll only use your 10 coins. Oh, okay. Now I understand. Okay. I totally missed the question itself. Okay, that's fine. Robotman, Asterix, Tomato, Devinian, and also Salt. Yeah, it was it's a quite tricky question for me at least, but not for you obviously. Okay, let's create a custom command. Let me edit that. And let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and save it as a command, so you can type exclamation mark the link to the chat to get the current link. Vince, hello, welcome. I am still mad at how can I miss this one? That is shame. Oh, let's invite Alice. Alice is online also. I look at this case and manually calculate the answer. That's how I realize what the code needed to do. That's nice. I didn't check all of them. I only checked if there are some unnecessary big values or not. Alice also joined. That's nice. Did it too. First I was wrong as well. Second test case failed. Yeah. Okay, we are now 12 people, so let's launch the clash. That's the fastest one. You must output the length of a racetrack given a number of coordinates using the Euclidean distance. If the track has 2 coordinates, they represent the start and finish line. If the track has 3 coordinates or more, first coordinate represents the start, finish, while the other represents checkpoints that are required to be passed through in order. Okay. The road length rounded to the closest integer. Okay. Alice is required to leave a comment that says there is no give others a chance. Yeah. Okay, started with 1 here, 2 here, and 3 here, and I think it's rounds, right? It's for the first track. How is this for? I think you start here from first point to the second point, which is 1, second point to the third point, which is 1, and third point to the fourth point, which is 1, and also fourth point to the first point, which is 1. So the output is 4. Okay. starting with 1, of course, and create a tool. That is nice. So I can submit my solution. Oh, Alice, Pins, Sahil Rocks, Robot Man, Asparagus, Grateful Tomato, Nemo also sold in 100%. Yeah, Alice is on. Alice always on code golf mode with Ruby probably. Yeah, this wasn't shortest exactly. This was the fastest, I think. It is fun. It's not very easy. No, not very easy question, but it's fun. Difficulty is perfect. Statement and test case relevancy is ideal. Denivian also solved. That's nice. And only left is Remy and programmer. You can check other Python solutions also here to get the idea. I mean, less character faster type. But type more than necessary if the point is speed, just doesn't make sense. Hypod function. What is hypod function, Python? What is do exactly? Hypod. Python. Hypod. Maybe you should. Function. What is this? Oh. Oh, that's nice. I never heard this one. This method returns euclidean norm, which is the squarity x square and plus y square. Oh, that's nice. The aspherics results. Yeah, import hypods. Yeah, that's nice. I mean, in here we don't need probably absolute value, because as far as I can see it takes the square of it, so it doesn't matter, for example, -1 and or +1 as a square since it's calculated. Or am I misunderstand it? I mean, it takes the square of it, so taking absolute value might be unnecessary in here. Yeah, I think so too. I mean, and that's okay. It doesn't break anything. Yeah, exactly, was that it? Okay. How many minutes? There are almost 4 minutes left, and Remy and Hackett still clashing. Let's check the Alice code. That is nice. That was the shortest one, right? Yeah, that was the shortest one. Is there someone joined? No. There are still Remy and Hackett. Presentable selamlar, hoş geldin. By the way, guys, did you hear? Probably you get the email today. As you can see in CodinGame's email, I am one of the streamers in Fall Challenge, which starts by 12th November. Malcolm's TV, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. I am one of the streamers on Fall Challenge 2020, and I think I'm very excited about it. I never done any bot programming before, but this was my first time, and I will try to write. And yeah, thank you, Sahil Rocks. And if you want to join, I mean, my stream in that fall challenge, during the fall challenge, I mean, it will be great. I hope we can get a lot of fun together. I'm sure about it. Okay, only 1 minute left. And I will try to stream honestly every day during the fall challenge. I'm sure it will be great. I think we will get a lot of fun together, honestly. Yeah, Matt.hypods. That's nice. Okay, the clash is ending right now. Let's check Remy and Hackett. How did they done? I get bored the other day and made a Twitch chat bot for some streamers I watch. It's a fun little project. Oh, that's nice. It seems nice. Okay, Remy and Hackett, you can check other people's with JavaScript, for example, who solved in JavaScript. No one. I mean, you can probably get the other people's codes to understand, by the way, if you wanna check it out. So let me update the commands and let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. And I just copy the link and update it to chat. So you can type !link to the chat to get the current one. Endes, selamlar, hoş geldin. Bishop Code, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Oh, you can type !link to the chat. Let's invite Alice. Hey, watching to see how this works out. Okay, I mean, this is the Clash of Code. It's a CodinGame type of questions, and we are solving the same problem in 15 minutes. I mean, a lot of people can join the same room, like a room, for example, and try to solve the same problem in 15 minutes. If you are any familiar with any kind of programming language, you can always join with the link that written in the chat with !link, and you can get try to solve every test cases in 15 minutes. I mean, the questions are usually a little bit higher level than the beginner level. Yeah, I mean, it's most of them probably solved in 15 minutes. If you even don't even account, you can easily create one. I mean, it's with 30 seconds. Probably you can create an easy one. Yeah, I checked the answers of others. It's a little fast, these challenges for my current skills. I've seen a nice bot streamer yesterday where you can use channel points to play a sequence of notes on a sequencer. I implemented it in Python again for fun. Hey, I would like to see how you guys do the game. I had some trouble figuring out my first time even with a tutorial. Okay, you can watch, and maybe next time when you feel comfortable you can also join as well. Okay, we are now 11 people. Let's launch the clash. You are given a non-negative integer x. Find the maximum non-negative integer a such that a multiple by dA is less equal than x, where dA is the number of digits in a. I solved this one before. Isra Teneda, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. I solved this one before. How did I solve this one? What was the trick? Is this on? No. Oh, divide by 0, really? Oh. What was the first? Or a large this case. What's large? But that's not the case here. I solved this one before, but I don't remember how. All this. How did I solve this before? Number of digits A. Maximum number. Maybe one. Files. Like. No, that's not. I have to divide the length of itself. And I write like maybe x divided by not string, not length. No.
I noticed the lights were on and I thought you might be home. I wasn't sure.
I'll have a for loop or while loop in here. I will probably get the timeout. So Super Intort, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. So how can I write this one as a proper way? In a proper way. I mean, I solved this one before, but I can't probably think it like right now. Tino Cow, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Where is my other? Wow, Ericto, thank you so much, man. Thanks for Ericto is just rated with party of 81. Thank you so much, Ericto. I really appreciate that. Welcome, welcome all. Thank you so much, Ericto. Swimming. thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yubul, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yeah, Erikto, I mean, he's always rating to us. I mean, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your support. I mean, it's really great. And welcome all. Welcome from that who comes from the Erikto's channel. My name is Soner Gönül. If you don't know me, I'm usually streaming about CodinGame, Clash of Code questions, and all related about programming and streams. And by the way, who don't know who is Erikto? I mean, Erikto is one of the best competitive programmers in the world. I think he has a great YouTube channel. I mean, he has creating a lot great content in here. Check his YouTube channel as well. Also check his Twitch channel. I mean, yeah, I mean, probably everyone knows Erikto, of course, but if someone doesn't know in the chat, I mean, you should check its YouTube channel as well. I mean, there are a lot of great content here. Content there. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate that. Thanks for the raid. Welcome all again. If you want to join the current clash, you can type exclamation mark link to the chat, so you can get the current Clash of Code link and want to join with that link whenever you want. Grumpy Man, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. But I can't remember this one. How can I solved this one in past, but I can't think right now, honestly. What am I missing here? Also, by the way, if you don't know, Erikto is also will stream in Fall Challenge as a mail that's sent by CodinGame today. I saw his name. He also stream in Fall Challenge 2020 like me. I mean, if my free time, I will probably watch Erikto's stream as well. What is the background music you are playing? I am playing Lofi Hip Hop Radio, which is the Chilled Cow YouTube channel. They generate some low and relaxing music, which and the most important, they don't have any copyrighted, which I can easily play in the stream also. And I will type its name to the chat. It is Chilled Cow YouTube channel. Yeah, I mean, they are really great. They are really relaxing music. And exactly. Yo Jam, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Really relaxing and really it's kind of a study music, honestly. It makes me anxious. Really? That's weird. I mean, they are really soft music. I mean, why would it do to anyone such a expression? Okay, I mean, I probably couldn't even think of it. Computer Coma, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Oh, it's just you. Oh, okay. I mean, I probably couldn't even solve this one. I didn't see a very specific pattern here, even here. What is a specific pattern? Oh. Okay, I will submit it. I mean, it's the last 10 seconds, so I probably couldn't even solve this one in time. It's 57 like most of the people here. Yeah, it's kind of fun. Difficulty, I mean, it's perfect. Statements and taskers case relevancy is ideal, so I can submit it. Okay, Alice is the only one run out of time implementing it. Alice is the only one probably solve it, and yeah, he didn't even share his code. That sucks. Had to break in the middle and go check on my daughter. Oh, I will have it. Okay, that's nice. Tyrox is 81%. Okay. Binary search should have solved it, but couldn't get you. Oh, you're right. Yeah, I mean, binary search, very nice idea in here. Yeah. I think Grateful Tomato has a very nice point. I mean, Alice didn't share its solution, but yeah, I mean, binary search will be really nice approach at least. Okay, let's back to home then and create a new one. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. Just copy the link and yeah, updated the link. You can type exclamation mark link to the chat right now. Rohit, you will get the previous one probably. Maybe you need to type one more time. Oops, I couldn't write the correct one. Okay, Pins has also joined. That's nice. Let's invite Alice also. By the way, if you don't have any CodinGame account, you can easily create one for the for yourself, and you will get probably yeah, you will probably create your Facebook account and Gmail account in 30 seconds, and you can type exclamation mark link to the chat and join the clash. Oops, someone gets timed out. Who was Tenebia? Which is the 5 seconds. That's okay. Marco has a 10 seconds. That's okay too. Oops, Marco tried to write some code, and which is probably as a directed as a spam. Oh, Alice Didn't I invite Alice previously? Maybe he has something better to do. Let's invite him. Arya Pet Codes, welcome. First time to see you. Jedi Knight. And yeah, Alice has probably something better to do. Yeah, it's not words, so it's like cherish to move it. Yeah. So it looks like move is read by Berish. I don't know what's that mean, but okay, let's launch a clash. You are the owner of a shop. Oh, you have the timeout multiple bots? Oh, I didn't see that. You are the owner of a shop and you want to limit the number of people inside. There is a dangerous virus around and recommendation is to limit the number of people in your shop to the max people. At the beginning of the game, nobody is present in the shop and nobody is waiting in the front of the shop. Then for each iteration out of total iter, you get incoming people, the additional number of people who want to enter in the shop, and exiting people, the number of people who did exit the shop. Okay. The goal is to provide total iter lines with the number of people inside the shop and the number of people waiting in front of the shop after each step. Yeah, long statement. For example, total iteration is 6, maximum people is 5. 1 person in the shop after this step and nobody waiting in front of the shop. Still one person in the shop and nobody's in the shop. Okay, 2 people in the shop, nobody's waiting in front of it. 4 people in the shop and nobody waiting in front of it. 5 people in the shop, 9 waiting in front of the shop. Okay, which is oops, which is a 4 plus 10 minus 5, and 5 people in the shop is wait a second, why 4 plus 5 plus 4 in here? Line 1, the total iteration maximum people, total integer representation incoming people and exiting people. Okay, there is a mistake here because 9 plus 4 each is 13, not 14. I think it should write as a 9 plus 5, which is 5 in that case. So what should I write as the output? Total 2 integers for people inside the shop and people waiting in front of the shop each step. It is the shorts. Incoming people, exiting people. All right. Maybe I shouldn't like 1, people inside in the shop and people waiting in front of the shop after each step. Okay, this is the max people here. So award 0 is the is this the first one is inside the shop. So t plus equals incoming people minus exiting people, and if plus, maybe I should write as a constant, right? If t is bigger equal than max people, we should write max people, and if not, we should write t, which is total. The example is so confusing. Yeah, I mean, this should be the, for example, this should, here there is a mistake, because it should write 9 plus 5, which is 5 people in the shop, which is on 14 waiting. Because also our waiting is 0. Waiting is if total minus max people is less than 0, if it's less than 0, there's will be this one. If not, it is 0. And write another like that, plus as a space and plus as a waiting people. I don't need this one. Okay, let me check this one is works or not. Oops. What? Minus 42? Really? Okay, what if I only write this? What the? What is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? One people is coming, so its total is 1, and 1 minus 5 which is -4 is less than 0. That means t is the t minus max people waiting. Oh, that's not the case. Okay, that's not the case here. Okay, I have total is incoming minus exiting people. Okay. Total is 1 and the max people is, if total minus max people is less than 0, that means there is no waiting. Okay, I should write like that. If it is 0 or bigger than 0, that means I have to write total minus max people. Okay. Let's play this one. Okay, I should calculate as a right here. So I need to plus is a white space plus is a and W for each one. Let's play all test cases. Yeah, exactly. Once I have 3 minutes to make it short as possible. Delete these ones. Calculate. Yes, I don't need these arguments. It is the shortest one, yeah. Total, and let's call this T. Are there any total here? Oh, there's already T here. Let's call this A. Okay, max people, let's call this M. And incoming people, let's call this B. Guiding people, let's call this C. Okay, let me try delete all unnecessary things. One minute left for join, yeah. But Jitrel hash will replace all the white spaces which I need for white space, for example, here between var and w. That will break my code, for example. I can type in here var. Oops, there is an input also, which is call this one, let's call this one w. What? Oh, that there is a w already? Oops, there's a W already. Let's call this one it's Z. I have only 30 seconds. Oh, my current code, if I remember do that correctly. What? 0%? Oh, did I just delete something necessary here? Oh my goodness, I think I delayed some necessary code also while I try to shorten it. That sucks. Which code did I delete, for example? I mean, I really don't know. Did I solve in Python with 120 character? That's nice. Oh, you get the maximum and minimum of these values. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, let's back to home. First of all, let me try to change my commands. And let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. And I just copy the link and yeah, updated my command. So you can type exclamation mark link to the chat to get the current one. Yeah, I mean, Ruby usually somehow it's usually shorter probably than Python for most of the test cases. If you are Storm, welcome. First time to see you here. Welcome. Let's go. Welcome. This is the first time I saw you here also. Zorxy, welcome. Clysel, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, we are now 11 people. Yeah. Okay, let's start launch our clash. You can still join while we are clashing, by the way. It's the reverse mode, okay. Oh my goodness, this is the first time I solved this. Wow, this is the first time I solved this as a first one. That's nice. It's fun. Difficulties, I think it's easy. Maybe test case relevancy is ideal. Yeah, I can't. I usually can't solve this as the first in my since I am the streamer here, but this one is also very easy to see at least. Ghost? Really? What ghost? Okay, Zorxy, Asparix, Sahir Rogues, and Ins also solved. Troll Hanks, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Flexel, evet, Türk'üm ben. Testgeo is also solved. Wow, we are now 41 viewers right now. That's very nice. Jedi, Remy, Alexane, Yamsunsi, and Storm still clashing. I mean, that's very somehow these things might not easy to see for specifically in reverse mode, for example. But if you look at the results and if you look at the all the items in the input, you probably get the correlation easily. Okay, Yamsun C has also solved. Nice. Arbitrary, it is related with the something with the first element in the list. It is somehow related with the first element in the list. Oops. That's, yeah. It is somewhat related with the first element in the given inputs. I think that was the best hint I can give. Okay, Jedi has also solved this one. It is fun, difficulty is easy, test case relevancy ideal, so I can submit it. Check the first item in the list, and there is a correlation between the first item and the output. Yeah, it is not sometimes easy to see this kind of correlations, but I think this is the best hint that I can give you. Check the first item in the list, not the item count, for example, by the way, as an input. Check the first item in that given list for the first item, and check the output result. What is the correlation between all of them? Okay, because you still have a time. There are still 4 minutes left. Storm solved in 80%. Maybe if you share your code, we can check what is wrong with it. Let's check your code. Oh, this is not what question is about, probably. Oh, wait a second. X is 0, x is equal to a. No, this is not what question is about, I think. X times a. No, that's not the storm what question is about. Alexei has also solved. Okay, the only one is Remy. Storm, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream, by the way. I want to do something fast and I made it wrong. I know where is my mistake. Okay, that's nice. If you understand correctly and you will see your mistake, I think this is the most important thing. The mistake is, suppose we have only positive number where there is some negative too. Yeah, okay. I mean, if you check the others code, probably you will get the what. For example, since you write in C#, you can check my code as well. There are only Remy who still clashing. And how many minutes? We have almost 2 minutes left. There are 40 seconds left right now. By the way, did you guys check our Discord channel? I mean, if you want, or if you look at other things and our YouTube channel, probably there's a command also, exclamation mark YouTube and exclamation mark DC. Check our Discord channel as well. I mean, it's very quiet in our Discord channel, but I mean, if you want to join and if you want to probably maybe write something about it, and you can always welcome, you can always join. For example, when you join our Discord, you can always get the, when I try to upload some video in my YouTube channel, and you can check where my stream start. There's a notification that goes to you Discord channel also. Okay, Clash is ending right now. Let's wait for Remy. I know intermediate C#. I want to learn another language. Which one you recommended? I am 15. I mean, Python will be nice choice, I think. Yeah, Python will be a very nice choice, honestly. Remy didn't even choose the language itself. We paid for nothing. That sucks. I mean, the question is all about get all the values in as an array, for example, get all the values and multiple the first one with the list of sum of list. The first item in the array multiple by sum of the array, which passed all the test cases here. Okay, that's nice. Your solution is ON of memory. You're right, maybe I just created two variable that takes the first one and the total of the all one, and that would create the all one memory. You're right. Okay, let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. Just copy the link and save it in my command. You can type !link to the chat to get the current one. Domi, welcome. First time to see you, I think. Let's invite Alice, maybe he will join also. ACQW, first time to see you also, welcome. Maybe Alice will not join, okay. That's okay. Maybe I can invite Develop, but he will not join probably. He has something other things to do since Fall Challenge coming very soon. Okay, we are now 14 people. Let's launch the clash. There's a sequence A. The first input specifies A1 and the second input specifies A2. Given an operator, third input, compute K plus 2 term in A, where AN is A NX2 operator NX1 comes in the sequence is given as an input. What? So second term, how many times to apply? Ah, okay. Or bad operator. There's a bad operator. What is the? Oops, there is no input. There's an error. There is an error. The error. Hmm. First term, second term. Okay, let's create a static. Int a plus return a minus return I minus j case divide I divide by j and case both return full j false from now let's create an array to keep all the values, so I have to calculate for all of them as a dynamically. No, before calculating that one, let's check if contains operator, right? Hello, error. Return. Var array is how many times apply. Oh, there's then k plus 2 item. I think, yeah, there's a k plus 2 item. This I have to apply k times, but there is also I need to sign first and second elements a1 and array 1 is a2. Batuan, hello, welcome. So okay, I should for var I is starting with 2 and I less than length plus plus and array I is, what is the operator here? Calculate array I minus 2 is a second parameter, array I minus 1 and operator is a self. And after the all calculation, array that's last result as a result. Okay, let's play all these cases here. Oh my goodness, it works at the first time. Wow, a nice feeling. And this is short fastest mode. Okay, so I can submit it. Yeah, has a 100%. Okay, Zorx's Storm. Sahirox pinned. Oops. What is this 1 divided by 0 here? Or the exit? This one? I mean, what does this do exactly here? Now at 33%. Funny how all Python is getting same score. An intentional exception. Okay. Let's check pins code. One divided by 0 throws an exception. By dividing 0, program will crash and quit. It try accept. Okay. Maybe this won't work. Maybe you just need to return here. Will it be that the case? I mean, I don't know honestly. I'm not sure about it, but how about just in here print error and return the but of course there's no return probably here. Maybe somewhat return. Maybe module was one of the operations that should give output error, but eval with work with module. No, module is not one of the operators that is given by the explanation, as far as I remember. It's fun. I like these kind of questions. And difficulty, statements, and test case relevancy is somehow average, I think. Maybe good. Maybe I will got the first 1 star for the error test case. Could be a validator though, yeah, probably. That's the validator issue. DOM is 16%. I mean, you can check other JavaScript, probably jcode if you share your code as well, or TypeScript here. But module works with eval. Yes, but eval will work with module and output number with state of error. Yeah, but module one of them it is not the one of the operators that's given in the question explanation, as far as I can remember. Okay, there are 5 people is still clashing. I mean, eval, such a nice function, by the way, when you try somehow do with JavaScript with this kind of questions. Okay, Jedi also solved in Python. Look, Jedi solved in Python. Let's how he just checked the operator is not one of them, so print error, else he prints the result. Yep. We don't need to throw anything. We don't need to just print itself if it is not one of these operators. That's nice. Okay, Alexei, Nemo, as ASQ, and Yamsun C is still clashing. Okay, how many minutes left? There are almost 3 minutes left. That's nice. Alexei is also solved in C++. Nemo is also solved in Python. Let's check. Yeah, he just print error and exits, for example, in here. Maybe this one would be better to divide and or throw exception, for example. I don't know. Maybe it's more clear. What was your solution with list again? With list it's OM memory again, but could be O1. Okay, let me. You can calculate this one with O1, I think. You have to, for example, create some array and calculate all the elements. Because you have to iterate for all the items in here. So for example, in a dynamic programming, so you have to calculate the current element based on previous and its previous element also. Maxim Yugay, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Let's check Alexei, which is C++. Oh, there is a, of course, swapping values. I mean, why not? But this is also E less than K. That means you have to iterate K times at least. For just memory, for example, yeah, it means, I mean, you can do that, but you can also create an array also. That doesn't make too much, honestly. This is fast one, so as long as you don't need to run out of memory, why would you bother refactoring? Exactly. Yeah, I mean, if I solve in very, I mean, serious, in a competitive contest or somewhere else, I will probably try to think this one also. But that's not the case here. I mean, we are having fun, and this is the fastest mode. So if they have K, is then listable based solution probably failed, but it's not in this case. I mean, it might, but it's not here. Okay, and there's also one people as also solved. Who was it? Yeah. That's nice. I mean, probably have a lot of people also understand the question and its solving way, at least. The Python ones as a somehow there is a as an exception. Maybe we should write here as an exit or something like that. I don't know, honestly. Okay, that's nice. Let's back to home. Let's start a private clash. Start a new one. I just copy the link and update it in the comment. You can type !link to the chat to get the current one. Alice also joined, that's nice. Okay, we are now 11 people, so let's launch it. Fastest mode. Out of the product of R through of the Pascal triangle. Put the product of all values in the nodes of the art row in triangle. Okay. Our list of list int list at first one is zero. First, no. One. So R is 0, 5, 2, and 9. Yeah, I mean it works like that. So this is the first row. And our var is 1 e less than r e plus plus so our previous list I minus 1 var current is new list, and first of all I will add current at 1, which is all the Pascal triangles rows start with 1 and ends with 1. So I will add another add in here at 1. So between for var j is 1, starting 1 index in that the same row, and j less than I, so I should add current dot add previous j plus previous k minus 1. Yeah, after, and I add the first and the last of as a 1, then yeah, then after all the iterations here, I will add this one, list at current. So after exiting this loop, console.write line list last. This should work, I think. Let's play all test cases. Oops, I forget this one. Play all test cases. What? Or R is 0? It doesn't. This for loop doesn't work, and I only have one list, which is contains as a 1. How does this doesn't write any nothing? What? Did I miss something? Maybe I should write other ones. Integer are the row number of the row calculated product of. What is 5 or 5? Found 1. What? Oh, the product. Oh my goodness, not the sum itself. Current dot add 1. Yeah, this is the current, because the current list, because every line every line in the wait a second, why does console write? Look, this is not point here. Alexam, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Found 16 expected. A product of all values in the art row. Aha. Okay. For result for each item in last result multiple equal with item. And console right line. Results. Let's play all test cases. Okay, I am doing something terribly wrong here again. With R2 in here, expected to found 1. Maybe I should write in is equal R. Yeah, I mean, that was my mistake. Oops. Oopsie, oopsie. What is that? Because of the long. Okay. Current is little test case again. I was probably the last person who solved this one. Yeah. This is the fastest mode, so I can submit it. Whew. Okay, Alice, Zoxy, Sahil Rock, Storm, Forex, G-Call, Jedi, Yamsun C has also solved. I mean, I like this kind of questions. It's fun to solve. It's fun to calculate at least Pascal's triangle. Difficulty is perfect, test case, and relevancy is ideal. Yeah, Alice solved this one is the very easy way. Okay, how many minutes left? There are 3 minutes left, and there are only 3 people. Vince, Alexei, and Denevian still clashing. Bum, bum. Bum, bum. Teens has also solved, that's nice. There is only 1 minute left. Canadian was also solved. That's nice. Oops. There's another timeout. What the hell is going on? Big declarations. Ekan Trimun, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Hakan merhabalar, hoş geldin. Teşekkürler, sen de iyisindir umarım. The collection is complete. Why? Let me refresh the page. Oh my goodness, my internet speed is quite slow tonight. Since no, I still doesn't change the still the current clash we already solved. Yeah, Alexei has a 100%. No, not couldn't solve this one. Okay. No, we didn't create a current one. Don't just type link. If you had created the latest, it could be high. No, I didn't create. Let me create a new one then. Let's back to home. I just try to update my commands. I just need a few seconds. So let's start a private clash. Let's start a new one. Just copy the link and update the current command. So you can type !link to the chat, because I think there is no chat. There is no chat in lag, just in video. No. You can type right now !link to the chat to get the current link. I tried to use Maths Pro, but this Python 3.8 didn't really, it wasn't new. Also, when I tried to complain about it, bots thought Maths Pro was a URL, so I got timed out. Oh, sorry about that, Denivian. Yeah, I mean, the bots are really somehow aggressive in some time. There's something fly over here. That's weird. İyiyim, teşekkürler. Bilim teknoloji alanında oldukça dolaşıyorum ama sizi yine iyi gördüm. Yani bir süredir zaten yayın yapıyorum şeyde. Türkçe de yapıyordum, İngilizce yapmaya başladım. Hani Türkçe de yapıyorum ara ara. Ama çoğunlukla İngilizce yapıyorum şu anda. Just basically, I assume too many TLDs to try to blacklist specific domains. Exactly. We are now 11 people already. Almost tried importing NumPy, but figured out the loop to calculate myself was just as easy. Yeah. Okay, we are now 11 people. Let's launch the clash. Gotta ping them domains before timeout the person. Yeah. Given an undirected graph with m verticals and m lines describing the edges, output whether the defined graph is connected. Verticals are labeled from 0 to n-1. An input line AB means vertex A is linked by vertex B by H. A graph is connected is from any vertex. One can reach any other vertex by following in the edges. Okay. 1 connected, 0 connected to 1, 1 connected to 2, M line driving the edge, output whether AB the label of two verticals that are linked by an edge separated by a space. If the graph is connected, false. Yatırımcı uygulaması hakkında pek bir bilgim yok Hakan ya. O grupta çalışmıyorum. Ben Access Mobile grubunda çalışıyorum. Huawei App Gallery'de de Access Mobile olması lazım bu arada. So in here, maybe we need to use TFS here. I need to keep all the values in here and calculate their deep first search and search all the array items in that one. I think that might be the case, but I'm not sure. Yeah, this looks like maybe some deeper search problem, but I don't know how to implement it. Maybe I need to calculate some. No, that's not the case. After I how about keeping all the A and B vertex and I keep a Boolean array maybe. If I find the deep first search algorithm for any item in the A list or A array and B array. Hakan selamlar, hoş geldin. Yeah, I think that might be the case here. Or to check every item, for example, in that given length of the array, for any item, I will check the deep first search to a completed array in that A or B array, and see if I can't find both of them in their arrays, that means I should return true. If not, that means I should return false. Or is that? I probably can't solve this one. Maybe. I mean, I really don't know. I have some thoughts about on it, but I'm not sure, honestly. Yeah, I mean, with deep first search, I think we can find all the vertex A and vertex B as an array, for example, and Magnu, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Sorry about that. Alice also solved. Zorxy also solved this C#. That's nice. Yeah, I mean, I can solve this one, so I can submit it. There are still people clashing. Oh, a lot of people solved this one. Penka, hello, first time to see you, I think. And 3 in Andef, Alice, Zorxy, J-Call has also solved this one. Penka, thanks for the follow also, thank you. And let me check Zorxy because there's a node class and visited and neighbors, list of nodes. Ooh. Okay. And there's a dictionary nodes for every specific items. Mine times out when the answer should be false. I thought it was good enough to detect the disconnect in any timely manner. Yeah. If there's no contains key, does it not create as a new node? And get node returns nodes. Okay. Found connected nodes from to or start get node from, which is given x, and from to start dot visited is true. Okay. And q, there's a q defined, and q start while q any var the q. Okay, for each var h in v neighbors. Okay, and if not visited, h visited is true, q and qh. Okay, and return nodes values where x visited counts. Crazy that this one has got approved as a Clash of Code puzzle. I mean, it was so hard in my opinion. I mean, I don't know. For me, I can't even solve this one. I have some ideas for calculating some deeper search using, but it was only the idea. I couldn't write it as a code. It's a nice problem, but not one of the average coding gamer will able to solve in 15 minutes. Yeah, exactly. So build graph, there's an nm and start inputs, not, and there is a node created both all of them, and if not neighbors contains node b, not a neighbors add, and add as a b. Yeah, okay, you add the neighbors which was both of them, and you have the connected nodes. 0, 1 is equal to n. What is n here? N is the first item. Also you have the connected nodes, so if they are equal, so there is a connected ones. Yeah, I had to do a lot of search algorithms for school math stuff, so yeah, I went DFS. Exactly. Big classic puzzle. Agreed. I should do this pcarm, then copy it as a backup, having the bugger is tough. But then I wonder how many feel about some of my contributions. I can pretty quickly determine whether I should visit switch to Vim before starting on work on the problem. Yeah. I mean, it's a little bit too much, honestly. I mean, of course there are a lot of people solve this one, but a little bit too much for Clash of Codes for a 15 minutes. As you said, an average coding gamer also. Okay, that's nice. And let's call it a night. As you can see, more than 3 hours, and I stream, and I am a little bit tired, honestly. It was quite fun and tiring talking 3 hours and solving Clash of Code problems. And let me type my social accounts also. You can see my Twitter and YouTube account as well. Now I have to search the problem again and try to solve it 100%. Yeah. And you can see our Discord channel also. You can join with our Discord channel if you want. You can check my Twitter and YouTube account as well. I create some programming videos on my YouTube channel as well. You can check it if you want. And As you can see here, by the way, I have a subscription goal. I mean, if you want to support my channel, you can always subscribe it, and it means a lot to me, your support as well. And I will rate Vape Juice Jordan, which is a software engineer in Netflix. He creates some building an OnlyFans competitor, and I probably can join with his stream as well. I mean, thank you so much for all who joined me tonight. Penka, 3NF, Alice, Zorxy, J. Cole, Denevian, Tomato, Jedi, Pins, Yansumsi, Alexei, and Magnev. Thank you for all, I mean, joining me tonight. It's a little bit too much, I think, for the 3 hours stream. It's a little bit tired. And thank you all. And I will probably stream in tomorrow night as well. I mean, you can always join my stream, and you can always see it is on the CodinGame page as well. And thank you, and have a good night, and bye bye.
Okay, so I want 302, not 301. Okay, so this